Hi Cyber World, it's Miss Beatty and I'm here to do a really quick video on this current hairstyle. It is called a big faux bun and I got the idea off of Pinterest. So I've been rocking this style for about almost 2 weeks now because I've just been really busy and it's really time to wash my hair, but I just haven't made time to do it. So I just want to show you what I am working with this week. As I take it down really quickly, and you don't need a whole lot of tools to get you some hair moisturizer, and you need an elastic band. You need a smaller hair tie or elastic band, elastic tie, some hairpins, and some gel if you want to put gel. Since I don't really use gel on my hair, I just got like another a headband. And you could even do a tie, head, scarf or whatever. You can make it your own style. So this is a really, really quick style. The first step is to moisturize your hair, of course, and put gel if you want. Next step is to put the elastic band on your hair as if you're doing a high puff, and you can determine how far back you want it. Then the next step is to take your hair and put it in a very loose ponytail. Make sure you grab all the hair in the back as well. And then you take your hair tie and just do it really loosely and then tuck it. Kind of do like a little roll tuck. And then take your hairpin and pin that down. And you want to make sure you cover up that elastic band as much as possible. And that's just one hairpin. I really feel like my hair is secure, but sometimes the hair in the back may may want to fall out. So you may want to put in, maybe one or two more hairpins to kind of make it secure. And if you put gel in your hair, you can actually stop there. But I've been rocking headbands, different color headbands based on my kind of cover up my edges a little bit. So look, it took less than 5 minutes, really less than 3 minutes to do this style. I mean, it is so easy. You may want to take a mirror and stand in front of a mirror and kind of check out the back, see how it looks, if it's to your liking. But I've just been putting my hair up and rocking and rolling with this style. So really quick faux bun, less than 3 minutes. Hey, bye, Cyber World.